I see these vows not only as promises, but as privileges. I get to laugh with you and cry with you, care for you and share with you. I get to run with you and walk with you, build with you and live with you. I get to have you be the person I spend the rest of my life with. I get to be there for you and support you. I don't have to honor and cherish you, I get to.
I would pray for longest night if I could have you always.
From the day I met you, I knew you were one of a kind. Because of you, I laugh and smile and feel safe. You are my home, my best friend, my forever. You are the most giving and selfless person I know, and I thank God every day that He has given you to me.
From this moment, I take you as my best friend for life. I pledge to honor, encourage, and support you through our walk together. When our ways become difficult, I promise to stand by you and uplift you, so that through our union we accomplish more than we could alone. I promise to work at our love and always make you a priority in my life.
Thank you for making these past 4 years the best years of my life. I am honored to become your wife.
With every beat of my heart, I will love you, and I promise to respect, admire, and appreciate you for who you are, as well as the person you wish to become.
Today and forever, I vow to always help you see the beauty that life has to offer.
I promise to support and protect your freedom, because although our lives are intertwined, your choices are still yours alone.
To tell you every day how much I love you and appreciate all that you do.
I promise to seek a deep understanding of your wishes, your desires, your fears, and your dreams.
Here's to starting over. Here's to starting over again.
I promise to always strive to meet your needs, not out of obligation, but because it makes you happy to see you happy.
To continue to learn from you and to follow the examples of patience and respect that you continuously set.
I promise to be there for you when you need me, whenever you need me.
To try my hardest to not be stubborn and accept the fact that I make mistakes and that I am not always right.
I promise to keep our lives exciting, adventurous, and full of passion.
I vow to always keep fighting for us because I know we can overcome any uphill battles we might face.
Through the power vested in me by God Almighty in the state of Arkansas, now pronounce Otis and Skylar husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. And I now present you Mr. and Mrs. Otis Smith.
I promise to persevere when times get tough, knowing that any challenges we might face, we will conquer them together.
I promise to love, respect, protect, and trust you and give you the best of myself.
I promise to show you every day that I know exactly how lucky I am to have you in my life.
I used to never truly enjoy moments because I was always waiting for what's next, the next thing to happen. Now I have you. I enjoy the moment, every moment.